My name is Jil and I am an ENGOO online tutor. Okay, so we're back with another video, and sa video na ito, ibabahagi ko sa inyo kung ano ba ang dapat gawin para makapasa kayo sa inyong demo lesson. So teachers, it is very important na makapasa tayo dito sa demo lesson kasi ito na yung last step ng application process. So after the demo lesson, dito na malalaman kung ikaw ay makakapasok ba sa ENGOO or ikaw ay failed ba. And take note, kapag failed kayo dito sa demo, you can come back after 6 months. So 6 months is very long. So that's why I am here to guide you, to give you tips, and to help you pass your demo lesson. So if you want to learn and if you want to know paano, then keep on watching until the end of the video. Okay, para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, as a tutor in ENGOO, I conduct free training to all teachers na meron ng schedule sa kanilang demo lessons. So if you already have a schedule on your demo lesson, please let me know para ma-train ko kayo, para ma-orient ko kayo, at para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung lesson flow, kung ano yung class flow, and I will show you how the demo looks like. And I will make sure that you will pass your demo lesson. So again, itong training na ikakonduct ko is only free. Again, free lang to, teachers, para sa inyo. All I ask from you is to take your application seriously para naman hindi masayang yung effort ko. And as a way of saying thank you, you can add me as your referral when you pass your demo lesson. Alright, so teachers, let us start. Okay, so now I will share to you how my training looks like. Pero this is just a glimpse of how my training looks like. Of course, yung videos on how the demo looks like, yung class flow at yung lesson flow, dun ko na ituturo sa inyo during our group training or one-on-one training if magbubook kayo sa akin. Okay? But this is still very helpful for you. Welcome to our training and mock demo lesson. This is for all ENGOO aspiring tutors. Okay, so at the end of this training, you will be able to learn about the things that you need to check or prepare before your actual demo lesson. So teachers, meron pong mga bagay na dapat nating i-prepare bago tayo sumalang sa ating actual demo lesson. So at the end of this training, malalaman nyo. Second, you will learn about the tips on how to conduct a demo lesson. You will learn about the lesson flow, the class flow, and how you should handle your demo lesson. And the last but not the least, the third objectives in our training is I will make sure that you will become confident in your actual demo lesson. So now, since tapos na tayo sa objectives natin, I will introduce to you myself. Of course, on our training, I will be your coach. My name is Jil, and I started ENGOO when I was in college. That was year 2016. So now that I'm back in ENGOO, I would like to help more teachers to apply here in our company. Because if I am happy in this company, then I'm sure that you will also be happy. Okay, so now, here are the things to check before your actual demo lesson. So first is, you must have a plain background. So again, teachers, it is not necessary for you to have a white background. As long as plain yung background nyo, then that is okay. Second, you must have a good and stable internet connection. So during your training and during your actual demo lesson in ENGOO, you can request your family members at home to please disconnect on the Wi-Fi first, just for your demo lesson, para yung connection ng internet is nakafocus lang talaga sa laptop mo or sa desktop mo, para hindi maglalag during the demo lesson and walang interruption. Okay? And the third is you must have a quiet environment. So teachers, make sure na there's no barking of dogs, there is no chicken sound, there are no cars or vehicles passing by during your demo lesson, because that will also be observed during your demo lesson. I-observe din yan ng evaluator nyo. The fourth one is you should wear professional or business attire on your upper part or on your top. It's not necessary na ganito talaga na dapat naka-blazer or what. Just make sure talaga na you look professional. Kasi teacher yung ina-apply mo, tutor yung ina-applyan mo. So just look professional. Okay? And the fifth one is think of yourself. Ready ka ba? Prepared ka ba? So, these are the things that you need to check before your actual demo lesson. I-check mo sarili mo kung prepared ka na ba, kung ready ka na ba sa yung actual demo lesson. And if you will book a training sa akin, I will make sure that during your actual demo lesson, you will be prepared and you will be confident. Of course, this is with your cooperation. Mag-aaral din kayo, magpa-practice din kayo, kasi hindi naman magiging effective ang pag-coach ko sa inyo kung hindi nyo rin i-apply. So, this is a teamwork. I gave you the information, and you, as a teacher, you need to apply. Okay? And now, teachers, I will share to you the demo lesson tips. Okay? So let's start with number 1. Wear a smile and have an eye contact. So always wear a smile. On the greeting part, when you say hi to your students, say hi. So be energetic, be cheerful, be lively. Kasi yun yung hinahanap ng mga students. When you catch their attention, that is a very good point. Second tip is show to the student that you are confident. So make sure na hindi mo pinapakita sa camera na nagpapanik ka, na hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. So kung sa call center term pa, fake it until you make it. So fake your confidence. Kahit na parang nagra-rattle ka na or nagpapanik ka na, wag mong ipapahalata sa student mo. Okay? Next is use TPR. So TPR, total physical response, like body movements, hand gestures, that is very important during your demo lesson. Like say hi, can you hear me? Can you see me well? Are you ready? So it's something that will catch the attention of the student, and that is a very good point during the demo lesson. And the last but not the least, this is one of the most important tip during your demo lesson, that is to speak slowly and clearly, but your pronunciation should be clear, your diction should be clear. It is not necessary for you to speak like American accent, or have a slang English. No, it is not necessary as long as you have a neutral accent. Wag naman yung accent na Filipino talaga or like Filipino accent. Dapat neutral lang. Yung meron namang, yung hindi naman halata na local accent yung ginagamit mo. Okay? Alright, teachers! So, yung pinapakita ko sa inyo kanina, yun is just the first part of our training. Meron pa din tayong second part and third part. The second part is i-discuss ko sa inyo yung lesson flow or class flow. And your third part is we will do a mock demo lesson. I will show you during our training on how the demo should look like, okay? But that will be if you will book a training sa akin. Alright, so I highly recommend teachers na if you already have a schedule on your demo lesson sa ENGOO, please message me. I will put on the description box below yung instructions on how to book a mock demo lesson with me, okay? So again, teachers, I would like to remind you that the training and mock demo lesson that I will conduct is just for free. Again, it is just for free. Ang aim ko dito is makatulong sa inyo. Ang sa akin lang is take your application seriously. Wag yung bahala na kung makapasa or hindi. Hindi tayo dapat ganun, teachers, okay? Dapat siseryosohin natin to kasi if you will become part of ENGOO, hindi talaga kayo like there is no regrets talaga. Ako, I'm happy being part of ENGOO. Ito yung nagbibigay sa akin ng kabuhayan, of course. Especially ngayon na may the pandemic is global, like wala munang trabaho sa office or hindi ka muna makakalabas. So itong online teaching na to, it's very helpful for me. So for me, teachers, it is very important for you to attend a training and a mock demo lesson before your actual demo lesson kasi talaga siya, makakapag-prepare ka, mas advanced ka sa ibang applicants, mas mas kampante ka kasi alam mo na kung ano yung demo lesson flow or ano yung class flow. Mas advanced ka kaysa sa ibang applicants kasi what will happen during your actual training is that konting oras lang yung ibibigay sa inyo ng trainer nyo to prepare on your actual demo lesson. So that is why I highly recommend you to book a training sa akin para ma-prepare kayo as early as now. At least makakapag-practice ka pa, meron ka pang time, meron ka pang more time to practice for your actual demo lesson. And just take note, yung demo lesson ng ENGOO ngayon, there are two. First is with material, and second is a free talk or a free conversation. So, hindi katulad nung time ko dati, isa lang yung demo lesson. So, ngayon, dalawa na siya. Teachers should need to prepare. Alright, teachers, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like or comment nyo kung ano yung mga tanong nyo or clarifications nyo. I will try my best to reply each one of you. But there will be a delayed response kasi ang dami nyong nag-PM sa akin. So please be patient with me. Okay, so thank you so much again, teachers. Please like and subscribe and click the bell notification down below para updated kayo sa susunod kong i-upload dito. Have a great day! Bye-bye!